I'm like, ah! Guys, I'm like so excited right now. You guys don't even understand. Like, ah! Wow. I really hope I don't cry in this video. I put like way too much makeup on today. So, let's just do this. Hey loves, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. As you guys can tell by the title, today's video is like such a special one for me, at least, because I don't know, like this is just all like so much. Because in today's video, I am going to be unboxing and opening my YouTube plaque for hitting 100,000 subscribers. As you guys are probably like thinking and wondering, if you have been with me for a while, I definitely hit 100,000 subscribers such a long time ago. I'll explain to you guys why it took so long for me to make this video and finally receive my plaque. But yeah, so in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing this and sharing it with you guys for the first time. I literally did not open it. As you guys can see, it's all taped up. I'm going to be opening it on camera because I wanted to do it with you guys. If you're wondering, my eyelashes are from the Glam Emporium. These are their Bella lashes. I will have them linked down below if you're interested. And I'll also have my Instagram linked down below, which is just Ariana.Ava. That's the only social media platform I have, so if you guys want to stay connected with me in a different way or interact with me a little bit more, you can go ahead and follow me over there. And I have been doing some giveaways over my Instagram, so be sure to follow me over there in case you want to be a part of that. Like I mentioned, I definitely hit 100,000 subscribers a while ago, probably maybe even over a year now, and for a while I didn't really think anything of it. I thought that my plaque would just get shipped to me because YouTube definitely has my information and my address and everything. And then it wasn't until like recently that I just all of a sudden was thinking like, wait, I never received my plaque. Like, either do I not really have 100,000 subscribers, or YouTube playing with me, or was I supposed to do something? You know, I didn't know what was going on. But I ended up like Googling it, and I was supposed to receive like a redemption code, basically redeem my plaque. I was like searching through my emails. I literally searched through all my emails and literally even typed in what the email was supposed to say, and I never received an email with this redemption code. Over a week ago now, I contacted like YouTube support and let them know what was going on, and they responded to me really quickly and sent me my redemption code and everything. And here we are today, guys, and I literally received this package and saw this morning, and then like got myself all together so I could film this video because I didn't want to unbox it without being on camera and with you guys, and then obviously I didn't want to look a hot mess, even though I'm still not all the way together. I didn't do my hair, as you guys can see. I have my little braids in, but you know, I got my baby hairs going, put on my eyelashes, did my makeup, and here we are. So we are basically going to be unboxing this right here, right now. I can't wait any longer. So I'm going to use these scissors, and so excited, guys. Okay, here we go. Ah! I'm like so excited, guys. And then I'm gonna cut this part too. I'm like not doing good at holding this up. Okay. Woo. Just like that. Okay guys, here we go, here we go. Ah! It's like a foam thing in here. Okay, this is the moment. I took off the foam. They sent me this little card. Which was nice. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. Appreciate you. Okay, and then they also sent me this like letter right here, which is on really nice like thick paper, by the way. It's another congratulation, and I'm going to read this separately, even though they probably send the same one to everyone. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally ran in my dad's bedroom this morning when I saw this package, and I was like, Dad, do you know what is in this box? This means more to me probably than my college degree because I've worked so hard for this, and like this is just so nice. Like, it just means so much more to me than like this plaque or just like the number. Like, I don't know, my dad one day told me that 20,000 people, I believe, fit into the Barclays Center. Don't get me twisted if my numbers are wrong, but basically it put into my head that the Barclays Center could be filled like 5 separate times with all the people that are subscribed to my channel, and I just was like, what? Like, that just blew my mind that many people have, even if you subscribe to my channel and you only watched one video, do you know what I mean? Like, that many people have at least seen my channel and for some reason decided to click subscribe, and that just like blows my mind, and it's just something that just like warms my heart so much because you guys are just so sweet and so nice. But let me keep unboxing this a little bit more before I get all the way into my bag right now. But oh my gosh, okay, I'm gonna take it like out of here, but I'm so scared to. Okay, there's like a separate little box. I think I'm like gonna take it out of here. Like, I honestly might leave it in this plastic because I don't even want to get like my own fingerprints on it. Okay, let me open it for the video, right? I should probably open it. Oh, look at this. Guys, this is like literally for you guys, to you guys. Like, thank you to every single one of you. Like, seriously, like, you guys don't even know. I just want to say thank you so much to you guys for not only subscribing to my channel, but for making my channel the environment and the channel that it is. I feel like you guys have always been extremely supportive, extremely kind and respectful, and before I even started my YouTube channel, that's obviously something everybody's nervous about when they're subjecting themselves to the internet, where people are mean and people are bullies, you know? And I always just tried to put out my genuine energy and my love and support to you guys and appreciation for you guys' love and support to me. And I just want to thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for just reciprocating that love and always just making this a really supportive and peaceful and just positive place. Like, the comments, you guys are nice and you guys are respectful. Like, in all my years of doing YouTube, I literally think I've probably gotten less than 20 like hate or mean or bully comments. And even the ones I've read, like, honestly, half of them are funny. You could tell written by someone who's just like mad. I don't know, that's just something I don't take for granted and I don't take lightly, because I know how many people get bullied or get mean things said to them all the time on the internet. So I just always was so grateful, and I am forever grateful for not only you guys' support and for you guys clicking subscribe and helping me get this accomplishment and reaching this milestone and a goal that I once had written in like a little journal when I was like so much younger. Like, the fact that like this is something that I actually am holding up now is like crazy to me, and I'm just so grateful. Like, you guys have no idea, not just like the support that you guys have given me, but for the environment and positive place that you guys have made my channel. And I feel like my channel has become hair related and fashion related and has definitely steered its own course, but I feel like receiving this in my hand and actually having this and really being able to acknowledge this milestone and accomplishment has just motivated me so much more to even push myself further with my channel and with the videos I create and what I'm doing. So I definitely want to continue to grow my channel and to steer it in a different way to not only just fashion, hair, and style, but really just be myself and bring myself more to my channel, because there's so many more things that I'm about. I really care about people and spirituality and intellectual and mental growth and mental health, mental awareness, and also just being happy and spreading love and joy and being silly and goofy and joking around all the time. Like, these are things I definitely am going to start bringing to my channel and incorporating. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Let me know what videos of mine are your favorite types of videos and what other completely different types of videos you'd want to see from me and content you'd want to see from me. I again just want to thank you guys so much. I feel like I could just keep going and thanking you guys forever, but I don't want to make this video like super redundant and repetitive. So I'm just gonna end it here before I get like somewhere super emotional and start crying. But just know I love you guys so much, and I am just so grateful. Receiving this just literally warmed and like melted my heart so much. Again, not just for like the fact that, oh, I have this plaque, but just like what it really means and symbolizes. And I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you. If you made it to the end of the video, I want you to know that I love you so much. And you watching my video means so much to me. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, and I would really appreciate it if you can leave a comment right now. Let me know what videos you want to see from me, what videos of mine are your favorites. It could be a certain type of video, just so I can continue to make videos that you guys enjoy as well. Also, if you guys aren't already familiar, I do have an ASMR channel where I post strictly ASMR content, so I'll also have that link down below. I haven't really talked about that too much on this channel or like promoted it because I kind of just wanted to make it for like the ASMR community, but I also know that a lot of you guys over here were asking me about more ASMR videos because I did post like my first 2 ASMR videos on this channel, and then I decided to make a separate channel where I've been posting more content, so I'll have that link down below in case you're interested. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys.